Just a minute. We have discussed about Markov source, and I gave this definition also. Just you read it once, whether you understand or not, don't worry. Read it once. No doubt we are going to discuss further in today's class, and also we are going to solve the problems also. Just read it once. You have a few more seconds, then we'll go to the equation. Let us go to the next. Okay. Average information content of the symbols emitted from ith state, because we may be having a 1, 2, 3 like that states. How to find out the entropy? It is given by the equation HI equal to summation j equal to 1 to n. You can observe here like a pi log 1 by pi only. It is from the ij I am taking because from particular source state I want. Now the entropy of the source is then the average of each state. What I do? Pi into hi, h1, h2, h3 I find out. No doubt we are going to discuss with some problems, some examples also. If you understand well and good, otherwise we will see some examples after this slide. Now simply hi equation I have filled, I have rewritten. So just copy down hi and h, how to find out. Hope all of you are copying hi equal to and h equal to. So let us go to the next. The same thing I have rewritten h equal to, where pi is the probability that the source is in the state I. Wherever I am writing I, the state is I. The average information rate Rs for the source is defined as Rs equal to Rs into H, which we have discussed for a zero memory source also, where Rs is the number of state transitions per second, or you can say the symbol rate of the source. Just copy down the Rs equal to and read it once. You may not understand completely. When you solve some problems, you will understand completely. So let us go to the next. The average information per symbol. This also we are going to discuss with example. If, read here, probability of mi is the probability of the sequence mi of n symbols from the source, then gn is given by 1 by n probability of mi log probability of mi. So this equation you try to remember. Anyway, we are going to solve some problems using this equation also. Copy down this one line, or read this one line, or copy down this particular equation. Or with numerical, I think next slide is there, I'll show you that. Read this, where the sum is overall sequences mi containing the n symbols. Then Gn is a monotonically, I think this equation also we are going to prove. monotonically decreasing function. This we are going to prove also for one or two problems. So as the n increases, when it tends to infinity, it will reach the h. So entropy it will reach. This also we are going to check for one or two examples. So this is the way how you are going to calculate. You can note down this. How to find the probabilities for the length 1, 2, 3. If PMF is the probability of a sequence, then how to find out a G1, G2, G3. Just go through, or you can note down any one, G2, G3 something, so that you will understand this equation when you solve some examples. We will go to the example and we will try to find out H1, H2, H3, H, G1, G2, G3, so that you will understand how to find out for a given problem statement. Anyone you copy down, let us go to the next slide. Now, for the Markov source of figures 2.6, which you have already discussed, find the entropy of each state, the entropy of the source G1, G2, G3, and then show that G1 is greater than G2 is greater than G3. Just copy down this. I will solve some other problem. This already half solved is there in your notebook. You can continue this later. Just copy down this as a homework. We'll take a separate example. We'll discuss how to find all these things. Just take a one line. Find the entropy of each state, the entropy of the source G1, G2, G3, and show that G1 is greater than G2 is greater than G3 is greater than H. Copy down these three lines. For the previous example you have to do, take it as a homework, and we'll take another example, we'll solve all for the same thing. Find entropy of each state, entropy of the source G1, G2, G3, and then show that G1 is greater than G2, G2 is greater than G3, G3 is greater than H. So let us go to the next slide. Copied on this example, the graph of the Markov source is shown in figure. All of you copy down. The graph of the Markov source is shown in figure. We have only two states, 1 and 2. 1 to 1 probability is 3 by 4. Symbol emitted is 1, A. And 1 to 2 probability is 1 by 4. Symbol emitted is C. And 2 to 2 probability is 3 by 4. Symbol emitted is B, and 2 to 1 probability is 1 by 4. Symbol emitted is 1 by 4 probability. C is a symbol emitted. Calculate the following entropy of the source. Draw the tree diagram. Those who are not completed, I will show you the next slide. Figure is available in that also. Copy down. Calculate entropy of the source. Draw the tree diagram. Calculate the probabilities of a message of length 1, 2, 3. Information content of messages of length 2. Average information per symbol in messages of length 2. Copy down. I'll give you 1 minute. So entropy of the source he has asked. Hi equal to, we know, Pij log 1 by Pij. Simply I will fill. For example, now Pij, j equal to 1 to n. I means first one I will take. So I have a 1 to 2. What is the probability? 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. Only 2 are available. 1 to 1 is 3 by 4. 1 to 2 is 1 by 4 probability. You can observe 1 to 1 is 3 by 4 and 1 to 2 is 1 by 4. These two I am considering. I am finding a H1. So try to understand. I will give 1 minute time. Find out H1. Observe the diagram given. H1 equal to 1 to 1 3 by 4, 1 to 2 1 by 4. When I am talking about H1, I am considering state 1 only. Similarly, those who have completed H1, they can do it H2. Write the answer in the chat box. H1 0.81127, H2 you can find out. Those who have completed H1. So type the H2. How much you got? Point 81127. Sumit, very good. Pragati, Jayasurya, Charan, Nayak, Siddharth, Rohit, Shilpa, Simran, Preeti. And today, I think I'll tell somebody. So, any one of you copied on this complete chart after the class? Vidya, you copied on all this information in the chat box. Dump in the MS Word. Weekly you have to share with me. Even I am also doing it. Sometimes if I won't copy. So at least you remember. At the end of the class, copy down everything from the chat box. 0.8112, Shivani, Aditya, Abhishek, Srijana. Okay, good. I'll show you. H2, I got 0.81127. Most of you got the same answer. I'll give another 15 seconds. Those who have not got that answer, they can copy down. Those who have completed H1, H2, we'll go to the next. Find out H. H equal to Pi, Hi. Find out the value of H, filling the value of P1, H1, P2, H2, and type your answer in the chat box. Anybody got the answer? H equal to 0.81127. Jannavi, Priya, Aditya, Spurti, Rohan, Karthik, Praveen, Preeti, Chaitra, Prithviraj, Charan, Abhirup, Vinit, Simran, Gaura, Amrita, Shahasana. Okay, very good. Within a minute you have calculated. Let us go to the next. Tejashwini, Pragati, Amrita, Shivani, Lohit, Shilpa. So let us go to the next. Now, finding the H, 0.81127 is correct. So we will not spend time on that. Most of you got the same answer. Jayasurya, Suhasini, Vidya, Siddharth, Amrita, Pragati, Tejashwi. Very good. Let us go to the next. Now, you have to write a tree diagram. So, how to write a tree diagram, all of you know. Let us take a state number 1, write it. So, 1 to 1, probability is given, which symbol is generated, it is given. So, just take a minute and write down fast in your notebook. Either you can calculate or leave it, just write the diagram, tree diagram with the probabilities. Later you can directly write down AA probabilities for using a state 1 is this much in your notebook directly, or there only you can write, no problem. Last class also I had discussed. State probabilities, for example, half. 1 to 1 probability is 3 by 4. 1 to 1 probability is 3 by 4. If I want AA, I have to multiply all the 3. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Anyone if you can write AA equal to how much, AC equal to how much, CC equal to, CB equal to, differently you can calculate. Somebody do it. Odd number AA, even number AC, USA number, you can do it. Later again somebody can do CC. So that all answers you will get in the chat box. So you have to multiply all the 3. So that you will get A probability. Even if you type AA and AC, someone can do for AA, some people can do for AC. Diagram is given to you, only you have to multiply, that's all. Okay, very good. Aditya, 9 by 32 AA. Okay, most of them they are typing that only. A is 9 by 32, very good. Similarly, write down AC, CC, CB like that. Just calculate. Once if you know, let us go to the next. Instead of spending a time. AC equal to 3 by 32, somebody is writing. Sumit, okay, very good. Now, up to the second, you continue the same. Those who have not started at the middle left corner, they may feel difficulty. Whenever I say tree diagram, you have to start from the middle of the paper or your page, left end. Then only you can write down neatly. So write down this fast and considering a state number 1 it is. Note down the probabilities directly so that you can calculate the probabilities of AAA. CC Pragati 1 by 32. Chaitra 1 by 32. Preeti AC equal to 3 by 32. Vidya CC equal to 1 by 32. Varsha CB equal to 3 by 32. Preeti AC equal to 3 by 32. Janvi CB equal to 3 by 32. So now you can write down later. I want you people to copy down this complete tree diagram so that in the table form we can write it, answer later. I want you people to copy down fast this tree. Similarly, using a state 2, then you can write the probabilities fast at a time. CC 1 by 32, Bharat Kulkarni. Hope all of you have completed so that I can go to the next slide. I'll give 1 minute. Copy down the probabilities. Seeing the no diagram you can write down or seeing this directly from the slide you can write down. Nivedita 1 by 32 CC. CB equal to 3 by 32 Geeta. Shripad triple A, very good. 27 by 128. Shripad is telling triple A, very good. Nivedita triple A 25 by 128. Shripad and okay, Nivedita answer is same. We can write down the answers later. First, I want you people to copy down completely. Rohit triple A 27 by 128. We can do it later. Very good. So state 1 you completely copy down all the probabilities. I'll give another 10 seconds. Then we'll go to the state 2. Those who have completed this, go to the state 2 and rewrite this as it is. Tree diagram, but probabilities will change. Write down that. ACC Simran 3 by 128. ACC. Okay, let us go to the next. Using the state number 2. Take another 1 minute. Either you calculate or you can write down directly using seeing this slide. Copy down all these probabilities fast so that you can calculate the probabilities of CA, CC, BC, BB, CAA, CAB, CCC, CCB, BCA, BCC, BBC, BBB. All these you can calculate. First, copy down this tree and path probabilities so that you can calculate the symbol probabilities, CA probabilities, CCA probabilities. I'll give you another few seconds, do it fast. So let us go to the next. Now, try to understand this. Probability of message of length 1. Length 1 means A, B. What is the probability of A? So P1, it is in the state 1 and 1 to 1. It is a 3 by 4. So getting a probability is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Even using a tree also you can do it. So answer is 3 by 8. Similarly, probability of B and probability of C you have to calculate. I'll give you 1 minute, do it fast. Copy down probability of A. How I'll get A na? Using that I am multiplying, that's all probabilities. Similarly, write down for probability of B. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Similarly, do it for probability of 3 and write the answer in the chat box. Many are answering B equal to 3 by 8. Many are doing 3 by 8, B equal to, answer is correct. I'll give 1 more minute. I want a probability of C also. C is 1 by 4, Charan is writing. B 3 by 8. C is 1 by 4, Vineet. Spurti 1 by 4. Amrita, B equal to 3 by 8. Sai Manthan 1 by 4 for C. Simran, C equal to 1 by 4. Okay, let me show you the answer. Very good. Like offline, even better than offline, you people are doing it. I am very happy. Shivani 1 by 4, C equal to. Okay. Jayasuriya, B equal to 3 by 8 and C equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Majority are getting 1 by 4. Let me check how much I got. Probability of C is equal to 1 by 4. Those who are not yet done, they can copy down. Gaura, correct. Rohan also 1 by 4, correct. Amrita is 1 by 16. C equal to. Please check it, Amrita. And C equal to, she is typing twice, 1 by 4 and 1 by 16. So just check it. And Tejasvi 1 by 4. And Rohan is also 1 by 4. So let us go to the next slide. Now, you write down for AA, AC, CC all fast. Okay, calculate and type somewhere at a time. You can share in the chat box. I'll give 2 minutes for that. Tree is there only calculate. At a time you type in the chat box so that you can compare with the answer of others. Paths are shown. Considering the path probabilities, find out a probability of a symbol. And for your reference, the diagram is also shown so that path probabilities you can get. Simply multiply. Write down the probability of a symbol. AAACCC, CBCA, BC, BB. So take 1 more minute. Try to do it. Very good. B equal to 3 by 8 over. Okay, Shilpa. AA equal to 3 by 4. Good. We'll check Shilpa. Let others share their A equal to 3 by 4. Majority are getting A equal to 3 by 4. Write down AC, CC. AA 3 by 4 Amrita. And Simran 3 by 4 AA. Nivedita AA 3 by 4. Okay, Charan 3 by 4 AA. Similarly, do it for CC, everything. Abhishek, Amrita. Do it. AS, Amrita, A or AS? Check it. 3 by 4 she is writing. While typing AA, she might have typed AS. Aditya CC, very good, 1 by 16. Yeah, sir, Amrita told. Aditya CC, 1 by 16. Let me check with others what answers they are getting. Majority have done AA. Do it CC. Somebody do CB. Somebody do CA. Somebody do BC. At least 5-10 students, if they do, you can cross verify the answers. Procedure will remain same. So you'll get a confidence. CC 1 by 16. Nivedita, okay, majority are getting. Bharat 1 by 16, good. Shilpa CC, she got 1 by 32. And Suhasini 1 by 16. Shilpa got 1 by 32. Aditya CB 3 by 32. Spurti AC equal to 1 by 16. Sumit BC equal to 3 by 32. Okay. CC equal to 1 by 16. Spurti is typing with star. AC equal to 3 by 32. Okay. I'll show you the answers. CA equal to 3 by 32. Good. Majority are getting the answers. Compare your answer with this. CB is 3 by 32. CA is 3 by 32. Majority are BC also 3 by 32. Those are not getting an answer, you can copy it on the probabilities directly. So whenever you are free, you can just calculate again. Charan CB equal to 3 by 32. Yeah, it's correct. Geeta AC equal to 3 by 32. Correct. Charan CC is 1 by 16 is correct. So let us go to the next. Hope most of you have completed this. Let us go to the next. BC equal to 3 by 32. Correct, Vijay Lakshmi. BB, Shilpa 9 by 32. BB 9 by 32 is correct. So let us go to the next. Now consider AAA and find out the probability of a symbol. Consider paths for a particular symbol sequence and use the path probabilities and find out the probability of a symbol. Somebody do AAA, all of you don't do AAA. Somebody do ACC, somebody do ACB. So when I say your answer, others will check their answer. 888, 27 by 128. Nivedita, Spurti, Bhatt, Vinith, Saujanya, 27 by 128. Okay. Majority are getting 27 by 128. Adnya, Geeta. So go to the AAC or ACB or CCA. Another 2-3 you do it. AAC 9 by 128. Varsha is telling. Sumit 9 by 128. Then Pragati AAC 9 by 128. 9 by 128, majority are getting AAC. Okay, very good. So Aditya, okay. Somebody typed Vineet, okay. Praveen 27 AAC, yeah? Okay, while typing something might have gone wrong. Okay. And ACB equal to 9 by 128, Varsha. Just compare your answers. ACC 3 by 128, Sharon. Okay, let me show you the answers. You can compare your answer. So take a few seconds and compare your answers. Very good. Shruti has typed AAA, ACC, AAC. 27, 9, 3 all divided by 128. Just cross verify your answer. Adnya ACC is 3 by 128. Correct. Sai Manthan triple C 2 by 128. Varsha is telling 1 by 128. 2 by 128 I got. Varsha, you can check it. Triple C. Because two paths are there. This is a one common mistake most of the students they do it. Triple C. In remaining you have only one path, but for triple C you have two paths. Therefore answer will be different. So hope most of you have completed. Triple C 2 by 128 Siddharth is correct. CBC 3 by 128 Simran. CBC. Okay. CCA 3 by 128 Vijay Lakshmi. CCA 3 by 128, correct. So let me go to the next. Few more combinations. CBB, CAA, CAC, CCB, BCA, BCC, BBC, BBB. Triple B 27 by 128 Aditya. Good. Let us check what others are getting. Aditya did it, triple B. CCA 3 by 128 Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, let us check these are also. CCB triple B 27 by 128 and Shilpa CCA is 3 by 128 CCA. Okay, triple B 27 by 128 Nivedita. Sumit BBC 9 by 128. BBC 1 by 9 by 128. Vineet BBC 9 by 128, correct. BBB, okay, 27 by 128. Shilpa ACB 9 by 128. Okay, I'll CBB 9 by 128. Okay, I'll show you the answers. Compare your answers. Take 1 minute. Or even if you have not done all, no problem. Few you have done at least 2-3. Remaining you can copy down fast. CBB Vishwa 9 by 128 CBB, correct. Parmeshwara 9 by 128 BBC, correct. If you have done all, compare your answer. If you have done only few, just copy down. CAN equal to 9 by 128. CAN. Vidya, what is it? Can? CAN. BCA Vineet 9 by 128 BCA, correct. Charan BCA 9 by 128 Vidya CAA 9 by 128 CAA 9 by 128, it is correct. Rohit BCA 1 by 9 by 128, correct answer. So take another few seconds and we will complete this. So now all the probabilities you should have in your notebook so that we can find the entropies and G1, G2, etc. So let us go to the next slide. Now there are two methods you can find out directly, pi log 1 by pi or log 1 by pi is the information. If I want h, pi log 1 by pi. If I want only the information, log 1 by pi. So find out first log 1 by pi, simply multiply with the pi later so that you will get h. I of AA. Use the probability of AA, it is there in your notebook. Probability of AC, probability of CB, probability of CC, probability of CA. Fill it, calculate and type your answer in the chat box. Okay, AC 1.83, very good Bharat, Shilpa. AC, CB, CC, CA, do it. Simran AA 0.418, Priya 1.83, Chaitra 1.83, Vidya 1.83, okay. Do it for AC, good. Devraj, Abhay, Rohit, Rohan, Nivedita, all are getting same. AS, while typing, I think Sripad might have typed wrong. It may be AA 1.83. AC Aditya has done 3.413. Good, Aditya. BB Shilpa 1.83. Very good. So let me show you the answers. AC 3.413. Vineet AC 3.4. I think majority are getting same answer. Let me show you the answers. Compare your answer. CC I got 4. You also check it. Sumit has written already CC equal to 4. CB equal to 3.4. Chaitra Kulkarni has typed. Charan AC equal to 3.4. And Nivedita CC equal to 4. Correct. CA 3.141 Preeti. Manakatti Mat, she is typing. Jayasurya AC equal to 3.4. Correct. Let us go to the next. And BC and BB, this also some students they have shared already. Those who have not done, they can copy down directly the answers, because procedure you know. BC and BB also. Nivedita 3.415 BC. Correct. And now let us go to the next slide. Now all of us know probability of AA into I of AA. We can write directly Pi log 1 by Pi, but log 1 by Pi we have the answer already. Simply multiply into the probability. So we know probability of A is 9 by 32, probability of AC is 3 by 32. Simply fill these values and find out the answer. Probability of AA is 9 by 32 and I of AA have found 1.83. Simply fill these values of all the probabilities and information, or you can directly write Pi log 1 by Pi. Simply we took 2 steps, or you can directly fill and you can calculate and check your answer is 2.56 or not. Don't simply copy down. Use your calculator, find it, because intentionally I might have written wrong also sometimes. Don't simply write down. Because sir has written, it may be correct. No, don't believe, do it. But probabilities also you cross verify. 9 by 32, 3 by 32, 3 by 32. If something is different, let me know. BC equal to, she is writing 3.415. BC equal to 3.415. Yeah, it is there. Check the answer. Will you get a 2.56 or not? I'll give you another 1 minute. Okay, 2.56 Sumit, 2.23 Shilpa, and Aditya 2.56, Simran 2.56, and Prithviraj 2.56, Nivedita, Pragati, Abhishek. I think majority are getting 2.56. Only 1 or 2 students they got 2.5 something. Gaura, Abhay, Karthik, Chaitra, Bharat, Vishwa, I think Amrita, Pradnya, Jaisurya, Siddharth 2.56. All are getting 2.56. Very good. Ajna 2.56. Priya 2.56. Shahasan Makandar. Okay, 2.56. So let us go to the next. Now, this 2.56, it is for length 2 it is. Why length 2? Because I have taken AA. AC, 2 symbols I am taking, therefore length is 2. Per symbol I want. What I have to do? There are 2 symbols in this message of the length 2, hence the average information per symbol is I have to divide it by 2. So it will become G2 equal to 2.56 divided by 2, 1.28 bits per symbol. Copy down this. How to find out G2, G3? If I want G3, what I have to do? Take all the 3 symbols, their probabilities, find out like this, some value you will get. that value divided by 3, you will get G3. That's all. Telling is very simple, but doing may be simple, but it takes a time. You cannot do it within a minute. It takes a time. Now G2 you have finished. Let me go to the next. So we know that Gn equal to 1 by n, summation P of Mi log 1 by P of Mi. Average information per symbol in message length 1 will be, for considering only ABC. So 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 4 we have considered, we have got answer. Find the G1, I will get 1.5612 bits per message symbol. Divided by, I will not get anything because only n equal to 1 symbol. In previous n was 2. Next we are going to consider 3 symbols. Just copy down G1, G2 you have found out. Then we will go to the G3. Then we will compare G1, G2, G3, H. Take a few more seconds. 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 4. When you find out like H only, we say G1 divided by 1 only we do it using these probabilities because only one symbol. So let us go to the G3. In G3, G2 I had done. Similarly, I have to do it 3. When I say 3, I have to consider probability of AAA into I of AAA, or you can directly write probability of AAA log 1 divided by probability of AAA. Like that, all I have to consider. I have to write it. Then I have to get some answer. Then G3 equal to this answer divided by 3 will become the G3. So many bits per symbol. Got the idea how to calculate G3? So G3 average, just I have given the direct answer for G3. Copy down the G3 answer. Whenever you are free, you do it. The same procedure because all of you have probabilities already with you. Write down like a pi log 1 by pi. Simply find out the answer. Divide by 3. You are supposed to get 1.097 bits per message symbol. You can take it as a homework and do it. And next class you can say whether G3 got 1.097 or not. So let us go to the next. I think you have a class one more. Now copy down this. G1 answer we got 1.5612. G2 answer I got 1.28. G3 I got 1.097. H is 0.8112. Hence it is proved G1 is greater than G2 is greater than G3 is greater than H. So let us go to the next. Limit as n tends to infinity, Gn equal to H. You observe here. G1 was 1.5, G2 was 1.28, G3 was 1.09, G4, G5, G6, G7, like that. If you go, when it becomes infinity, it will reach to the 0.8112. Thus, average information per symbol in the message goes on reducing as the length of the message increases. Copied on a one line. Okay. Another few seconds I'll wait. Another 7 seconds I'll wait. Then we'll go to the next. Okay. So let us go to the next slide. Take this example. For the source of figure shown, find the entropy of E state, entropy of the source, find G1, G2, G3, then show that G1 is greater than G2 is greater than G3 is greater than H. State probabilities are equal to 1 by 3. Copy down this. We can copy down the text. I'll show you the diagram in the next slide. If the probabilities are not visible properly, I'll show you the next slide. You can copy down the text first, so that this diagram you can copy down from the next slide. Hope all of you are copying properly. So end of the class, you will show the notes also. Not only to me, to all your classmates you may have to show. It's better to copy down properly. So let us go to the next. Those who have not copied this diagram, you can copy. Those who have copied, you can just check it. Probabilities and the direction. Okay, let us go to the next. The entropy of E state is given by HI. All of you know how to find out. Find H1, H2 and H3. So how to find H1, H2, H3 have already done in the previous example. So I want you people to take it as a homework, and I'll show you the answers also. Just I'll show you the few slides, then we'll wind up the class. You can see. So H1 equal to how to find out. All of you know P11, P12, P13 I am considering. I am filling the values and I am finding H1. Observe this carefully. Simply I will fill the values and calculate the answer, and similarly I will do it H2 also. H1 equal to 1.5 I got. H2 equal to, again I will fill the values. I calculate H2 I got. Then third state is there. H3 also I had to calculate. That also I got 1.3 bits per message symbol. Then I had to find out H. How to find out H? All of us know. Pi into HI. So in Pi into HI, fill the value. P1, H1, P2, H2, P3, H3. Calculate the answer. That also H I got 1.5 bits per message symbol. Answers I am showing you. Note down and do it. Spend your time. To find the G1, G2 and G3, find the probabilities of for the length 1, 2 and 3. Write the tree diagram, or you can directly write the table. So take this as a homework, so that next class we will find out a G1 and G2, G3 directly. So till that you just try to find out all the probabilities, so that you can find out G1, G2, G3. Okay, at least G1, G2 you try. G3 if it is taking more time, leave it. I hope all of you can do G1 and G2 easily, and H you can do it. Similarly, you can say G3 also. So now I think we can wind up the class. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll stop sharing the slides.